This is, by far, the most common issue for Premiere users. You open up your project and you're faced with the dreaded media offline error. I'm going to show you how to fix it and how to prevent it from happening again. The simple reason why this happens is that every clip in your project is linked to somewhere in your hard drives. When you first bring a video or any asset into your project, Premiere will memorize its location on your hard drive and use that location as a home address for that specific file. For example, the clip we're looking at my timeline originates from this folder here. If I move the clip outside of its folder, Premiere loses access and doesn't know where the file is. This can also happen if your file was on an external hard drive and you've unplugged the drive, or if the file was on a cloud service like Dropbox and it gets unsynced from your computer. It also happens if the file gets renamed. The second Premiere doesn't see the original file with its original file name in its original location, it will freak out and say media offline. If you see this link media pop-up window, you can use the locate button to go locate the file and tell Premiere its new location. You can also do this by going to your project window, finding the file that's missing, and choosing Link Media. If you're working on a large project and having a hard time locating the clips that are offline, you can right-click a clip on your timeline and choose Reveal in Project. If you have multiple files missing, right-click the bin that holds the files, and you can relink multiple clips simultaneously. Use the Locate button to locate your missing media. If you know where the missing clips are, you can point Premiere directly to that folder. If you're not sure where the clip is, you can give Premiere a top-level folder like I'm doing here, and then clicking Search. Premiere will now search for a clip that has a matching name, and when found, relink it. Keep in mind that this only works if the file name has not changed. If your file name has changed, you'll need to manually locate the file and reconnect it. Hope this helps. It's an annoying error, but luckily it's easy to fix. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video.